Good morning, students. Today we are going ahead with the second part of elementary row transformation. In the first portion of elementary row transformation, we have studied two rows and two columns. We are doing one more question of two rows and two columns. We have find the inverse of A. If A is 2, 3, 5, 7, A11 is 2, A12 is 3, A21 is 5, A22 is 7. A is equal to IA. We write it as 2357 is equal to 1001A. Step 1. First we make A11 equal to 1. To make A11 equal to 1, we divide the first row R1 by 2. We get R1 is 1 3 by 2 equal to half 0, and R2 becomes 5 7 equal to 0 1 A. So you can see A11 has become 1. Now second step, make A12 equal to 0 using A11. Now A11 has become 1. Now we can make A12 equal to 0. How we have to do it? Please see. We multiply the first row with 5 and we subtract it from the second row. What do we get? R2 becomes R2 minus 5R1. R1 is 1 3 by 2. R2 becomes 5 minus 5. 7 minus 3 5s are 15 by 2. Then on right hand side it becomes 0 minus 5 into half. Then 1 minus 5 into 0, that is 0. So R1 and R2 now are 1 3 by 2, 0 minus half left side, half 0 minus 5 by 2, 1 on right hand side. We write A along with in every step. Steps 3 is A22 is to be made equal to 1. Since in place of A22 we have minus half, we multiply the second row by minus 2. So we get 1. So now we get in the second row as 0, 1, minus 5 by 2 into minus 2 is 5, then 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. So left side has now 1 3 by 2 0 1, right side is half 0 5 minus 2 A. Step 4, A12 is equal to 0 using A22 equal to 1. Using A22 equal to 1, we make A12 equal to 0. How do we do it? Then we use R1 becomes R1 minus 3 by 2 R2. We get R1 is equal to 1, 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2, half 3 into 5 by 2, the 3 by 2 into 5, that is minus 15 by 2, then 2 into 3 by 2, that is again 3. So what do we get? Left side is 1001 and right side is minus 735 minus 2. So I is equal to A inverse A. So A inverse is minus 735 minus 2. Now we are going ahead with elementary row transformation in case of 3 rows and 3 columns. First, we have to consider a matrix. Matrix is 0 1 2, 1 2 3 and 3 1 1. Now this is nothing but A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. R1 is 0 1 2, R2 is 1 2 3, R3 is 3 1 1 on left hand side. First step is to make A11 equal to 1. This we can do by interchanging first row with the second row. As you can see, in place of first row we are writing the second row. In place of second row we are writing first row on both the sides. So left side becomes 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 1 1. right side becomes 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Step 2. In steps 2, we make A21 and A31 zeros using A11. A21 is 0 already, so we need to change only A31. A31 we can make 0 by using R3 transformation, that is R3 becomes R3 minus 3R1. From third row, we subtract 3 times first row. What do we get? The third row becomes 0, 1 minus 6, 1 minus 9, 0, 0 minus 3, 1. So what we are left on the left hand side is 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 0 minus 5 minus 8. Right hand side is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0 minus 3, 1. In step 3, we need to make A22 equal to 1. But A22 is already 1. So step 3 is complete without doing anything. Step 4. Using A22 equal to 1, we make A12 equal to 0. For this, from first row we subtract double of second row. The first row will become now 1, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 4, 0 minus 2, 1, 0. What do we get? We get 1, 0 minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 0 minus 5, 8, minus 5 minus 8, left hand side, minus 2, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0 minus 3, 1, A, right hand side. Now we are supposed to make A310 using A22 equal to 1. How do we do it? In the third row, we add 5 times the first row. Please see the third row. What does third row becomes? 0 minus 5 plus 5 minus 8 plus 10, 0 plus 5 minus 3 and 1. So left side becomes 1, 0 minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 2. Right side becomes minus 2, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 5 minus 3, 1. Now in step 6, we make A33 equal to 1 dividing R3 by 2. R3 becomes R3 divided by 2. So what do we get? R3 becomes 0, 0, 1, 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2. And we are left with left side 1, 0 minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 1. Right side minus 2, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2. Now, seventh step is to make A13 equal to 0 using A33 equal to 1. How do we do it? We simply add first row and third row. In first row, we add third row. So what do we get? 1 and minus 1 obviously is becoming 0. Minus 2 plus 5 by 2. 1 and minus 3 by 2, 0 and half. So left side will become 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 1. Right side will become half minus half, half, 1, 0, 0, 5 by 2, 3 by 2, 1 by 2. Now only one step is left, that is making 2, that is uh, in place of A23 we have to make it 0 using A33 equal to 1. This is done by changing second row. Second row becomes R2 becomes R2 minus 2R3. So what do we get on left hand side? The R2 will become 0, 1, 2 minus 2, 1 minus 5 by 2 into 2, 0 minus 3 by 2 into 2, 0 minus half into 2. So left hand side becomes 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Right side becomes half minus half, half, minus 4, 3 minus 1, 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 half. So I is equal to A inverse into A, and A inverse is equal to half minus half, half, minus 4, 3 minus 1, 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2. Students, I hope you are able to understand these steps. We have to do these questions of exercise 3.4. Kindly do it in your fair copies and try to keep on practicing them so that you do not forget all the steps which I have told you. Thank you very much.